So y'all are gonna be so mad once y'all see how easy it is to make these stickers. First, start by uploading all the images that I want to use as stickers. I then create a reference shape that is 6.75 by 9.25 because that's the max that Cricut allows us to do a print cut as. Then it's really as simple as me just sizing the stickers and placing them where I want on my base. And once I have all my stickers where I want them, I remove my base, select all my images, and then I attach them all together to lock them in place. Then for my particular printer, I adjust the print quality to be the best, and then I change my paper type to specialty gloss paper. And the question I often get asked is, what setting do I use to cut my stickers on? I ended up making my own custom preset I named holographic sticker. I adjusted the number they have set for the pressure, and then I set it up to double cut to guarantee that it cuts through the sticker and the backing paper. So I know that some people complain that when they're using holographic paper, they can't get their machine to read the registration marks. I have yet to run into that problem because, as you see, I cut in a brightly lit area, and that seems to help me not run into that issue. That easy to make these stickers. And you can use your own custom designs, or you can do like I did and I use these pre-made designs. But either way, you can make simple stickers just by printing and cutting.